I just arrived to the Sunway Pyramid Mall in Petaling Jaya, downtown of Kuala Lumpur. Egyptian theme, water park, hotels, private hospital, private university, huge mall with everything is styled like Egyptian, so you can see already so many accents around. Also the roof of the mall is like a pyramid style, pyramid shape, so it's a very interesting place, and I will try to show you as much as possible from this place. It's easy to get lost, guys, so keep it in mind. So outside the mall we have a street with so many independent restaurants and also so much decorations. This is the entrance gate from the motorway. Already looks like Egyptian style, right? And this is the roundabout fountain and the back side of the mall already. Everything architecture is like Egyptian style with so many decorations, and just at the front you can see the huge lion statue, guys. And this is very characteristic entrance to the mall with the swings or Egyptian lion or something like that. For me it looks like a swings, and everything is so bright here like this one. This mall is huge, so the amount of cars and people around is also big, but I want to try to show you as much as possible from the architecture from the outside, because it's actually very impressive, and soon we're gonna get inside. In the background is the hotel, and this is like a main entrance lobby of the full entire mall. This is just the mall, and I want to show you this huge swings head. It's actually so big. Everything regarding the entrance from the mall is definitely looks like Egyptian style. Not sure why they actually make it like this. This is like a theme mall. However, they make it very nice replica. Looks really cool actually. Inside the mall, except that as everything is in Egyptian style, you can find so many cafes around. So also some other shops, normal shops actually. Most likely this is normal shop mall without any fancy stuff like a Louis V or something like that. However, it's huge, so I'm gonna try to show you a little bit. I don't wanna also make you too boring with the malls only. However, it looks very interesting, little bit different than usual mall. In lower ground floor you can find some food options, of course, everywhere. Next to it is train station, some attraction for the young kids, also very nice. They have so many attractions in the malls in Malaysia in general, guys. And then you have a view of the mall. It's like a 5-story mall with the ice skating place at the mall and the bottom. However, it seems like it's melted and not operating currently right now. That's actually a pity, because I really wanted to show you how the people skating around. However, you can find like this one here in this mall. Now we are entering the Marrakesh, which will be a Moroccan style, a Moroccan wing, if it makes sense. They generally made this like a Middle East little bit. That must be so many Moroccan Egyptian restaurants and stuff like this one. Decorations definitely looks like this one. So they basically make a theme for the Eastern countries, Egypt, Morocco, and let's see what else we can find here. It's Mr. D in the Moroccan section. Actually, this one looks really nice. A little bit like in Marrakesh, like so many actually. In this mall you can find Jollibee, which is Filipino burger place actually, or chicken place, I'm not sure, KFC or McDonald's, but Filipino version. Also you can find some other Southeast Asian restaurants here. This is also definitely family friendly mall. It's about 20 kilometers from the city center, from Bukit Bintang on KLCC, but it's Sunday afternoon. There's so many people around with kids and stuff like this. You can find so many things around, and definitely you can find so many small shops and boutiques around with the smaller known brands. For me especially, also the shops are a little bit smaller. However, like I said, you can find anything in this mall, I guess. I'm on the top floor currently, like this one. Pity actually about the skate place, as they are not operating right now. And you have a view what you can find here. Also there is the huge DJI official shop, so it's great. So definitely you can find any kind of electronic shops here. So if you are looking for the new drone or something, definitely you can find here. However, I bought my drone in Pavilion Mall, just in case if you are asking. However, I can see already any kind of businesses around here regarding the electronics. Also, I don't know if you realize, but the Gordon opens the restaurant somewhere here, so this mall must be a really huge potential. I think a lot of local people coming here. Maybe not ice skating, but at least you can find a huge ball center here. Actually, so many lines around. Also the piano here playing by themselves, guys. That is so nice, actually. That's it what was inside the mall. Now it's time to show you a little bit outside. Meanwhile, this is the link to the public transport MRT. And I have to confess, it's from the outside. Looks actually pretty decent. It's really nice and a little bit different than elsewhere, that's for sure, guys. And this is the area of one of the few hotels what you can find here. This one is actually a resort, and from the outside the lobby looks actually very impressive, guys. So you have so many decorations like this one. I forgot what is the name of this half oval something, and then you have mammoths, I guess, and then the lobby with the mushroom something style with so many gold statues and fountains on the video. Not mention about the cars what are parked outside. It was very interesting place indeed. I wasn't expecting as Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur have something like this. It's very cool. Also, I checked this hotel is about 700 ringgits plus, which is not as that expensive. How does it look like from the outside, from the lobby? So who knows? Maybe would you like to stay there? You can stay and you can try. It's about 20 kilometers from the center, as I mentioned already, and I think most of the local people coming here around, Malaysians of course. However, definitely place worth to visit, even you are in Kuala Lumpur. Also, I didn't show you the lagoon, Sunway lagoon, because it's open during the daytime. It's like a huge water park and also the theme park, so also worth to try it when you are here. Meanwhile, thank you so much for today's, for listening, for watching. I hope so you enjoy. You can comment below what do you think about the place like this one here in Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia, and I will see you as always on next one.